She wanna woo nigga. She wanna fuck with the woo.
Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos a mi canal. I hope you guys are doing good. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this hair, how I curl it, styled it, and all that. Shout out to Arabella hair for sponsoring today's video, and let's get started. So I'm putting this Moroccan Sleek by Garnier on my hair. It's like a frizz control, and I'm putting a decent amount. I actually put a little bit too much. So my curls on this side fell pretty quickly. I'm not even gonna blame the hair. I'm not gonna say the hair doesn't hold the curl. It's literally just me. I put too much of that because my curls held up perfectly on the other side of my head. So I'm just sectioning off medium-sized pieces, and then I'm taking my curling iron, and I'm putting the little flick thing, the little clamp, pointing towards the outside, and I'm curling towards the inside of my face. I don't know if that makes any sense what I'm trying to explain, but you guys can see in the video that I'm curling, and the curl is like I'm twisting the curling iron towards my face, and then I let go, and it gives me this cute little curl. And yeah, I just really like to have curls at the end of my hair, not necessarily all the way from the top. I do put the curling iron from the top all the way down, but the actual curl is literally just kind of at the bottom section of the hair. So yeah, I did curl a little bit differently on the other side though, just because it's not the same. Like, I don't know how to curl it the exact same so they're obviously gonna look a little bit different, but y'all get the point, y'all get the idea. Then what I'm trying to do, what I'm trying to achieve here. And the end result, the final result, was a little bit of a, like a, I'm not gonna say beachy waves, but like a little bit of a messy curl. I don't like my curls to be too perfect, so the result that I got is exactly what I was looking for. I just wish I didn't put that much frizz control on this side of my hair, so my curls would have held a little bit longer. But other than that, I'm in love. And the hair, you know, it's moving, it's wavy, it's dope, it's fire. I like it. I really like it. All the information to this hair is going to be in the description bar down below. I'm not really sure of the name because I done forgot already, but I do have another video up on this hair already, my first installation that I did. I will link it up somewhere on the screen so you guys can click it and watch it to get en verlo. But it is a natural, it's not a body wave, but it's like a wavy, curly, loose curl type of texture. That's the natural texture of the hair. So basically, me curling it, I kind of straightened it out and manipulated the whole texture of the hair. That's basically what I'm doing. And just don't mind me dancing. I was really feeling whatever song I was listening to. I was really feeling it, and I was just in my zone, you know, dancing, singing, and all of that. So yeah. So when I moved on to the other side of my hair, so you guys can see this side of the hair is a little bit more curly. Like, then you can see a little bit more of the natural texture of the hair. And here I'm also curling towards the inside, but I kind of regret not curling towards the outside because I feel like when I curl towards the outside, it kind of frames my face a little bit better. But you know what, I look good, okay? I look good. And I know by the end of this video my makeup's probably gonna be looking a little bit too white, but it's because I got a tan and I didn't bring anything that's gonna match my tan, so I need to buy new makeup. Okay, don't judge. You guys, I'm so sorry for the lighting in this video. As you guys know, I'm not in my regular setup. I'm not at home at all. I'm in a completely different country. I'm currently in Dominican Republic. I'm on vacation, so the lighting is not the best. The setup is absolutely not the best. I'm still working on it, so hopefully for my next video it's gonna be a little bit better, or a couple of my next videos. I don't really know, but just bear with me. You guys see what I'm doing, and that's kind of the important part right here. So we'll be back to a regular schedule with like regular backgrounds and stuff as soon as I can. In the meantime, bear with me with the lighting, okay? So in the next clip, you guys are going to see that I did spray some hairspray on my curls just for them to hold until my makeup was done. That's literally all I wanted it to do, so I didn't spray that much. But you guys are going to see the full beat, you know, I did my makeup and all that, you know, like bam, cute. Okay, this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little quick curly tutorial. Again, shout out to Arabella hair for sponsoring today's video. I will leave all the links to the hair down below in the description bar. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I see you guys in my next video. Before you leave, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Bye.